Hey Easy Technology fans, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we're going to be showing y'all how to change your mouse sensitivity on Windows 10 or 11. Bad sensitivity settings can be frustrating. A mouse that is not sensitive enough might require you to pick it up repeatedly just to get it across the screen. A mouse that is too sensitive, on the other hand, might make it difficult to click accurately. Here's how to fix that. So first thing you have to do is go ahead and select the Start menu and simply type in mouse. Go ahead and select mouse settings. And as you can see, the first option you are given is primary mouse button. So the primary mouse button is typically going to be set as left. However, you can change that on the right if you are used to clicking on the right for primary mouse. Alright, and the second option is the mouse sensitivity. So you can change mouse pointer speed by simply dragging this pointer to the right or left hand side. Now you can go ahead and play around with it and see which one you like best or at which speed you like best and it moves around best. I typically leave mine around 8 to 10 in between that range. So you can try it out and see which one you are most comfortable with. Alright, another way in which you can do this is simply on the same page under related settings, go ahead and select additional mouse settings. It's going to bring up this pop-up, so go ahead and select pointers. And as you can see from here, you can select a different scheme. So you have different types of schemes in which you can select. As you can see, you simply just select it and it displays how it's going to look right over here. So you have different ones created by Microsoft, and you can see the normal select, working in background, help select, busy, etc. And once you find one that you do like, then simply you need to select apply and OK. Moreover, you can go ahead and select pointer options. And as you can see, you can also change the motion of your mouse or touchpad from right over here. So simply touch this and just drag it to the right or left to make it faster or slower, as well as be sure to select enhanced pointer precision for it to be very precise so you can click on something and it select it without any issues. And once you're done and you're fine with your options, then you can go ahead and also look through these snap to as well as visibility, so you can see the pointer trails, as you can see, like this, if you like that or not, as well as hide pointer while typing, such as on Microsoft Word, and show location of pointer when you press Control key, which might be pretty helpful. So you might want to check that as well. And once you are satisfied with your changes, simply go ahead and select apply and select OK. Alright, that concludes my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.